Welcome to MIT Asia, introducing MIT PI, also known as a plant improver. This is a plant nutrient that is high in plant probiotics and suitable for all plants. Helps to improve your soil condition and soil organic matter, promotes your plant health growth and increase your fruit size and sweetness, thus increase in production and fruit quality. To use, simply dilute 2 grams of the PI powder with 500 ml water or 1 is to 500 to 1000 dilution for spraying. First of all, mix the powder with few drops of water to create a paste. Add the remaining portion of water and mix them evenly. You can apply by pouring the mixture into your potted plant at flowering and fruiting stage, or simply spray and drip irrigation at the root. You can apply on crop, fruit, vegetables, herbs, flower, and garden plants.